Good morning, ladies. I'm quickly going to have a look at H. I don't think Shannon is going to be the only one that's struggling with this. So let's have a look at what's going on here. So in other words, you need to find the point A, the point B, which is a y-intercept, and then also ask for the y-intercept here of the line LI. So I'm just going to work with LI first. So what you have is you've got two coordinate pairs, and that enables me to work out the gradient. So I'm going to work out the gradient of L to I. Okay, that implies that I'm going to have y of I minus y of L over x of I minus x of L. Okay, let's substitute into that. So that's going to be minus 2 minus 5 over 8 minus 6, which is going to be plus 6. And that then gives me minus 7 over 14, which will simplify to minus a half. So that's the gradient of this line. Once I have the gradient, I now need to go back into what we were doing in grade 9, which is the equation of a straight line. So the equation of a straight line is y equal to mx plus c. So into the place of m, I can now substitute the gradient that I just calculated, which is minus a half. Then I actually have two coordinate pairs to choose from. So I'm going to use L, you could have used I, and I'm going to substitute that into the place of x and y. So y over here will be 5, and x over here will be minus 6, plus then c being my variable. This then is 5 equal to minus a half times minus 6 is positive 3, which then makes c equals to 5 minus 3 will be 2. The equation for the line is therefore y equal to m minus a half x plus c, which is 2. So from this, I already know that the y-intercept is always represented by c. So the y-intercepts over here will be 0 and 2. Okay, now I still haven't done the x-intercept. For the x-intercept, remember the golden rule is just to set y equal to 0. So I'm going to use this equation now. I'm going to stick the 0 into the place of y. So let's do that. 0 is equal to minus a half x plus 2. So minus 2 is equal to minus a half x. And then I need to say minus 2 divided by minus a half, which equal then 4. So x is equal to 4. In other words, the coordinates here at A will be 4 and 0. Okay, I hope that's helpful.